what's up guys? Just made it to the shop. Tristan is getting his new wheels and tires mounted as we speak. And this is Jensen's project for the day.
Yeah. Gonna tear it apart and see if it's trashed at all. If it's not, we're just gonna toss it in.
Okay.
Should be good to go.
And you're doing this more so to have the option?
Two-wheel drive.
To go from 2 to 4 instead of being 4 all the time? Cool. Real cool. So it should be exciting. Small little group at the shop today.
Yeah. Is Garrett coming?
I don't know.
He needs to get his motor done.
I'll give him a call.
I started assembling it for him. Him and Josh are slacking. I think it's the storage unit.
You started assembling it for him?
Yeah.
You gotta be kidding me.
I got all the pistons and rods attached.
Wow. Does he know that?
Wrist pins. All done.
Wow.
Look at that.
That's for the Jeep.
Forged.
All forged, huh?
Forged, ready for big boost.
That is sick.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Really cool. Got that wrapped up.
It's kind of funny how it's still sitting here because it's ready to go and
yeah,
it's not done. And
yeah, that's just all kinds of weirdness.
Yeah. What are you gonna do?
Yeah. Well, okay. Well, that's
it's all
cool.
for sale if anybody wants it.
It's just taking up space now.
Email me.
Yeah, the Jeep's gonna be sick. And is that a sticker?
Yeah.
Ah, he doesn't need that.
He already gave me the other one, so you can take it.
Okay. Good. Is there more in there?
There's a
There's mountains in there. Okay, I'll take one of these.
Pissed.
No, yeah, right. Garrett won't care. Thanks, Garrett.
Yeah.
At any rate, when are we gonna get lunch? Once Tristan gets here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Oh, leaving Culver's. There's Tristan. Here's the new setup. I'll just give you a little peek until the can't show you. Can I? Maybe not. Gonna have to wait a couple more minutes.
That's how your other ones were. They're just painted black instead of silver. No, they're silver.
Wait, you're giving them way too many details.
Oh yeah. Oh.
They're neon green.
Yeah. Wow.
All right, should we jump to it?
Let's do it right now.
Right now? Alright guys, here's to the guy that changes his tires more than he does his underwear. Dang. No, I'm not.
It's like Brendan.
Alright, AutoZone, get a couple things. You can roll up your window. Sorry. Sorry.
I didn't want to cut off your video.
Oh, I appreciate that.
Hey, man, it's still
I got
you guys Mustang painted too. Say something.
Whoa, where's it at? Where's those? Oh!
$900.
I see it. Wow. Looking good.
No, you're the one that's moving.
Come on, yeah, why are you cranky all of a
You can't
sudden?
take a joke. You get all upset.
Open the door.
That's what I was saying.
That's fine. Oh, God.
Going down.
Say something.
Chicken straight. 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 Chicken str
this thing got any go juice?
Sounds slow.
Okay. Wasabi. Ooh, what's that part of?
Leaf spring.
It just snapped off?
Snapped off.
Just Ford stuff. Here's this.
It's on that
Looks like
side.
you cleaned it very well. Yeah. Oh yeah. Backside? Okay, that's cool. Oh Lord, baby Jesus. Man, what year is this? Like a 2000?
Kind of nice to work on this on my marble table, Josh, Garrett.
Yeah,
An engine on there, you know.
it would be nice if we had a table to work on.
Kind of weird.
It's kind of weird
Kind of weird.
that the person's stuff that's taking up all the space isn't even here.
No, it's not.
Wow.
Or the mechanic's supposed to be working on that.
Or the mechanic. Wow.
Interesting.
Okay. Cleaning this because it's super dirty. Roush intake. We're gonna change the oil, and I think that's the. Are you starting that? No, he's not. Changing the oil and the motor. I think this is the engine, and then brakes all around. He's putting a tune on her because he's raising the RPM and setting his tire size because he's got different tires, as everyone knows now, on his little programmer. It's 2014 F150 5.0 for anyone that doesn't know. Program, she's a ripper. Jenny's over here working on his transfer case, drive shafts thing.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Pretty good so far. I think the guy at O'Reilly's and he's talking
I don't know. O'Reilly guy.
about. So give me the wrong huge amount.
No.
You know,
Do we have to go back?
sometimes yeah.
We can go, that's fine.
We'll figure it out though.
At any rate, I gotta get back to helping. I gotta help in this video, believe it or not.
Don't let Tristan do your oil changes. He likes to strip his drain bolt out.
I already got
He's recording.
good.
This is bloopers at the end.
It's almost like I got a mold maker trying to do my oil.
Listen, I wasn't the one that tightened this up last time, Mr. Stripper.
Dude, this thing's super tight, and none of the sockets work.
Mr. Stripple.
You got funny sockets on the farm? How'd you get this off?
Oh God, we're in a bad situation for an oil change.
Alright, find me a 15 mil.
Ah, yeah. Oh, I got a smudge. It's fine.
Don't mind them.
They don't care about the smudge. That's draining. Now we got.
Something to wipe it off with.
Yeah, that looks good. Just gotta undo the filter. When can we do that? You gonna plug that back up so we can do the filter now?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Jenny's almost done with his project for the day.
What's your oil look like?
Looks pretty good.
Is it discolored at all though?
It's like red, like dark.
I wasn't gonna tell YouTube about his problem.
What, head gaskets?
Yeah. I think they're fine.
They're probably fine.
I think your coolant being low and your oil being watery has nothing to do with like each other. Personally.
Typically, if they're really blowing, it'd be kind of milky.
Yeah.
Which it's not. It's just very
Yeah.
watery.
I think it's just used.
Taste it. Does it taste like coolant?
I think you're fine. You're just thinking too much.
Listen, if your head gaskets blow, they blow. You can't do anything about it. No reason to worry about it.
Yeah.
End of discussion.
Logic.
The only thing that will help is a turbo kit.
Yes, you're right.
Roll it forward. I just want to be able to shut this door.
Oil change done. Everything's cleaned out. We just gotta do the brakes next. But Tristan forgot his wheel lug nut key, so now we need to run out and get one.
Oh, you should do that again.
Do what again? What'd you do?
Re-say that whole thing.
I'm not gonna re-say everything. Did you move it down all the way?
Huh?
Yeah, it should roll forward. Go! Oh, it's in park still. Yeah. Looks good. Let's freaking roll. Alright guys, just got back from AutoZone and O'Reilly's and all that stuff. We were looking for a certain socket to get these wheels off and couldn't find it. So I think that's about it for that one. I think now we're gonna focus on Jensen's transfer case.
Yes, sir.
Transfer case. So that would be cool. Get that in there. That way we can do some burnies.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me get a yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ah, come on. Work's getting done. Camera's on, by the way, Tristan. Oh, yeah. Getting her scraped down. Get some paint on her. That's gonna look good. That's gonna look nice. It's going on this hunk of junk over here. In case you're wondering. Because she's all-wheel drive. He doesn't want that. He wants the option. Boom. You see that? Oh yeah, all the time. And you're 8. That's that. Boom. Boom.
Tristan, where's your lug nut?
What's going on, Trisket?
Can't find anything.
He can't find it. Yeah. Pretty simple day today.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Grant's not around slacking.
Grant's not around slacking.
Josh isn't here being cranky.
Yeah. Garrett's not being
Jordan's
here.
not here asking questions.
Yeah. Living that BMW life, you know. Can't say anything bad about me because I'm here, so.
Can't say anything bad about Garrett.
That's true.
Hey, Joe.
You guys don't even know what moves are. Throw that baby on the ground. Ah. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Oh! Try again. Dude, I can nail this trick all the time. It's just the camera's making me nervous. Here we go. Little half pipe action. Woo! At any rate, we'll save the rest of the lessons for next video. I want to give you guys all my secrets. Ooh, yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna go to a couple spots that I know of to get some nice pictures. Tristan's truck. And then we're gonna come back, pull this apart, because he thinks when he puts it in 4 low, I can't do it. When he puts it in 4 low, it's got a little bit of slack, so he wants to check that out before he puts that in. Before we leave, he's gonna put a fresh coat. And oh yeah, that's looking good. On that looks good. So yeah, so we're gonna go do that. I know you guys have seen a lot of the F-150 today, but I guess it's just the F-150 video today, pretty much. So heading to the spot. All right, guys, got all the pictures that we need to get. Check them out on their Instagram at BrokeMisfits_crew_. Right, Jensen?
Yes, sir.
Jensen follows.
All right, I follow.
Everyone follows. What's going on? Is your truck stuck?
No, she ain't stuck.
It's like,
Gotta break in the new tires.
I was like, okay, what are we waiting for? Sick. All right, bet you won't hit it off of that. The hell.
No.
Oh, whoops. All right, get you guys back up when we get to the shop. What are you doing? Getting the parts for this? Getting the tool?
The tools. The tools.
Back at the shop, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not gonna work.
Awkward.
Get him a towel. Slim that down a little bit. We'll pull this thing apart. See what's going on. If you don't know what this is, it's a turbine. And how it works is this. You mount this to the front of your engine on your AC component.
Yep.
And then you run a belt off of that. They make a belt conversion kit. And then it spools all this up in here, which makes a magical juice, which feeds it to your intake manifold.
Whoa, 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 no.
Okay. Finally got her part. This is what the inside of a transfer case looks like. Pretty cool.
There's some metal on it.
Some metal? What is that?
Just from wear and tear.
Oh, yeah. She probably just needs some fresh fluids.
Mm-hmm. What did you do?
I don't know if this is considered. I don't know. That's pretty tight. So
You scared me.
Tristan's doing good work.
Give me that rag next to you.
Yes.
Super clean. There's the chain I needed.
Okay, we're live. Like it's 95 in the back of your vibe.
No,
There you
didn't
go.
work.
Transfer case is almost back together. Everything looked pretty good. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Woo! Transfer case is all put back together, but he's got to wait for the, what's it called again, Jenny? RTB to set up. So he'll put that in tomorrow, he says. And hopefully he does a big burnout. Gets it on video for our Instagram, at least.
Maybe, yeah.
All right. And that's about that. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. And we'll catch you on the next one.